Hello, my name is Finn and welcome back to another video. So, today I'm going to show you some Blender animations of mine. So, if you don't know what Blender is, it is a professional 3D modeling animating software. So, I have this one with the warden and Steve. So basically, right here, he looks at the warden, then screams, then looks away. But then the skulk sensor moves. Then the warden does that. But then he like slaps his skulk sensor for doing that. Look. He literally slaps it. I made it move. Let me go from above.
Oh, that was great.
Yeah. So.
That's one of your animations. You have quite a few going right
Yeah.
now, don't you?
Mhm. Yeah. So, before I show you a couple of other ones, I would like to tell you that I like VeggieTales. And if you don't know what VeggieTales is, it is a show and the characters are vegetables. And there's a cucumber and his name is Larry, and there's a tomato and his name is Bob and Larry. They are the main characters of VeggieTales. And so, Big Idea was the people or company who made VeggieTales, so I made the Big Idea logo. This is Bob the tomato, and this is Larry the cucumber, and yeah, that's the logo, and here's the original logo, and you can see I've done pretty good.
Looks great, bud.
Yeah.
You're adding in the font and everything, and you're going to animate the characters and the letters and the words, right?
Yeah, because in the original one, this is what happens. So the logo's backwards.
Yep.
And then Larry bumps it with his bottom, and then he gets stuck in the D and then pops out.
That's great.
Yeah.
So you're going to recreate that, right?
Yeah.
And then you have some other ideas.
Yeah. Yeah, big idea, and I have more ideas.
You have more ideas. I love it. What else are you working on?
Larry Swap.
The Larry swap, that's right.
Larry Swap, which is, so Larry's hero form is Larry Boy, which is that.
Yeah.
And the plungers on his head he calls them super suction ears.
Okay.
And of course, Larry only has one tooth.
Right.
So in this one, they're on the countertop
in the kitchen.
Now there's another character named Junior, and he's a asparagus, which is in here. That's Junior.
Yep.
So
What? Huh?
and he smiles and he winks, and then Junior comes in. So
what was the idea behind that? He didn't want Larry to be Larry Boy?
No, he wanted Larry to be normal.
Normal Larry.
But then guess what?
What happens?
Then he goes down and changes into a different person.
Oh, that's funny. So you have Larry Boy in different costumes, is that right? Larry in different costumes?
Yeah.
So you're going to have him switch out the different costumes.
Yeah.
That's why you called it the Larry Switch?
Yeah. And also, there's another one called Larry Gets Lost.
Larry Gets Lost.
So, it's where Bob and Larry and all the VeggieTales characters live in a sky dimension, kind of like the Aether, which I really like. And I named it LL, one for Larry Gets and the other for Lost.
Okay.
Save. So, let's go ahead. So, let's go to camera view.
Okay.
So we can watch it. Well, actually, I should turn all that stuff off.
Whoa!
And he gets swinged off to a different island in the water. Then he smiles, and then Junior will come out of that tent, which I haven't animated yet.
Yeah, and you're coming up with ideas on what to do with Junior and Larry.
Yeah.
On this island, right?
Yeah. In the meanwhile, Bob keeps looking for Larry.
Yeah. That's awesome.
But if you already know VeggieTales, then you should know Jimmy, Jerry, and Madame Blueberry and all those characters.
And you have all those rigs to work with, right?
Yeah.
And a rig is what?
It's a character you can animate.
A 3D character, right?
Yeah. So all of these are Blender rigs, and we have Bob and Larry, Larry the Cucumber and all that stuff. And I just re-downloaded that because I accidentally turned this rig into an actual animation.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. If I double click on that, it loads up this.
Oh, okay. What's this animation going to be?
Look.
Oh, I forgot about this one with the eyes. There comes Bob.
By the way, that's the actual VeggieTales music. I don't want to get copyrighted.
It's okay.
People always make VeggieTales intro remakes.
Yeah, I think it's okay. So you're learning how to position the mouths and everything too, right? Yeah. I think the eyes looked amazing on Larry there.
So if you want to add a rig to your project, you can hit append, or if it's not a Blender file, which is .blend, like a OPJ file or FBX or MLT or GITF file.
Yep.
Then you're gonna have to do import.
Import, okay.
Which I do that from Sketchfab. Sketchfab, well...
You've been finding a lot of cool stuff from Sketchfab, right?
Yeah.
Sketchfab.com.
Yeah. Like I even found Bob's house.
You did.
In the intro, Bob actually did this.
He did, yes.
After
we
said,
got a show for you.
Yeah, after he said that, he did. And also, Larry had a tuba.
That's right. And you're working on that intro as well, right?
Yeah, I'm recreating that intro.
You have so many projects going at once. He is learning so quickly. He's only been doing this for a couple of weeks. And we're just really impressed.
Said open. Save. So this is yes.
If you like
squash can make you smile.
Looks great, buddy.
Yeah. I really don't want to get copyrighted on this video.
You're gonna be fine. So we have a few projects in the works, and hopefully we can get these uploaded soon, right, bud?
Yeah.
You want to upload them to YouTube to show everybody your work?
Yeah. And really soon, well, not really soon, but soon anyways, I'm going to export the Big Idea logo and the Larry Gets Lost and the Larry Swap
Perfect.
really, really soon. So
Stay tuned.
stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more Blender videos, then I'll make more. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.